Hello, my friends, and welcome to another great episode. We are going shopping, woo woo, and yeah, it's not as good as being able to go to Home Depot, but we are going to shop online. We're going to use our Ultimate Home Improvement Guide, and we're going to see what your total kitchen renovation cost could be. So let's get started. If you have not already downloaded that Ultimate Home Improvement Guide, go down to the comments below and do that, and then we'll get started because we want to help you save more so that you can do more in other areas of your home or in your life. So come on, let's go shopping. You might be asking why you need the Ultimate Home Improvement Guide, so I want to give you two reasons real quick. The first one is, if you look right here, the Ultimate Home Improvement Guide lists the 7 areas of your home and then the multiple areas that you can improve. And if you notice right here, there are several highlighted portions that I have linked to because we've done articles that can help you save more so you can do more in those topics, with those topics. The second thing is that the one for today that we're going to be doing is going to help you track your high, mid, and low costs of the different 25 items that we have listed with your essentials, your nice to haves, and your bells and whistles. You also could include with the price, although this is formulated so that it'll tally up your numbers, you could write beside it where it is that you're going to be shopping so that once you're done online, you're not thinking, oh my word, what site was I on again? Click the site right there in the field so that you can keep all of your information in one place so you know exactly what it is that you're going to spend, and then we'll go from there. So for this scenario, and you can work it to wherever is going to fit yours, but I'm just going to do it for mine so you can kind of see the practicality of it. I am not doing a full gut. I'm starting with an existing kitchen. I'm just upgrading it. And so I'm going to do the paint. I'm going to do countertops. I'm going to do flooring and some decor elements. That's the major items that I'm going to do. I will say cabinets here, but it's going to be painting the cabinets. So we'll add it in so you can kind of see what it is. Because I'm going to paint two different things, the walls and I'm going to paint the cabinets in order to update the kitchen. So let's just do low end. What I mean by low end is if you come over here to, this is Sherwin-Williams, and you can use whoever you want. This is just who I plugged in because they're local to me. And you can go anywhere from $60 to $65 a gallon to, look at here, they're emerald. Oh, we're not using an enamel. Forget that. Let's go right here. Acrylic latex super paint. This is $60. And then I know that they have a low end. They change their names sometimes, but Captivate interior latex can be as inexpensive as $38. I tend to go mid because I don't want the cheapest one, but I don't need the most expensive one either. It's for me, it's a thoroughfare in my house, so I'm not going to do the most expensive one. Also, this is what I like about Sherwin-Williams is that if you see up here, they have a sale July 31st to August 10th, and often they have 30 to 40% off. Now, just so you know, sometimes it does not mean the lowest one, so that's why I always get the middle. The lowest one, it typically never goes on sale with that sale. But let's say I'm going to do $60.49. I know that, let's go back over here to my painting my walls. If I'm doing mid and it was $60, I know based off of I'm doing an 8-foot high walls and 16 feet in length, and I'm only doing one side of that room, so I need 1 can of paint. So I know that's $60 on the low end. If I wanted to do mid, I would double that just to make sure that I had enough paint. Or I could even do, let's say we'll just do high. We'll do the mid expensive. So here, I'm doing low in 60s because I'm going to do 1 can of paint. I'm going to do mid because I'm going to buy 2 cans of paint, and I'm going to do high if I go with that most expensive one, which was, let's see, we'll say it's $75, so that's $150. Let's go over here, $150. That's if I'm doing 2 cans of paint of the high, and that is for my walls only. If I go down here for my cabinets, I did chalk paint the first time. I would never do chalk paint again in the kitchen for 2 reasons. One, it's a matte and with the wax on it, it's very, very, very hard to clean. If you put tomato sauce or coffee or anything that happens to spill on your cabinets, it's very hard to clean. The second thing is, I guess I kind of included that with the first, is that the matte color, the matte just doesn't seem to wipe off as clean, so it kind of looked dull after a while. I like a little bit of a sheen on it, and I just couldn't get that with the wax for me personally. So that was something that I would never do again, is using chalk paint for the kitchen. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to redo the cabinets. And again, I know I'm going to need 2 cans, and I'm going to do I'm going to splurge a little bit on this one because I want to look nice. And so I'm going to do the $70 range. So let's say I just need 1 can for that. And because it's cabinets and you're not doing the whole wall, however, I would do 2 coats of it. So I'm going to say, let's just go ahead and put 140 in the mid. And if I was going to do that high again, I would do the probably 160, because I'm going to do 2, and I'm doing nice and shiny. We're moving on to countertops. The ones that I did in my main kitchen are concrete countertops. I've talked about them numerous times. There's a card up here that talks about the pros and the cons of doing it. And down below in the description is the course that we did that breaks it down step by step. But I am not going to do that again in the old kitchen, but I wanted to do something that was kind of complementary to it. So over here is a guy that does stone coat countertops, and you can do it over top of laminate. And I have gone all through his site. I think he does some really cool things. And I am going to pick the natural blues, and I'm going to build a kit. I'm going to actually do over here kind of this white and blue faux, and it is $142.74. And I'm doing a 8-foot section, and I'm doing another section. I forget what it was, but I know that this 142 covers it. So I'm going to go over here to my kitchen renovation costs. I'm going to go to countertop, and I'm going to go to 142 for the low end. And maybe that's considered high for you, but because it's the only option I'm doing, that's why I'm putting 142. You could go and put granite in there, and then you could go to a granite site, but I'm not. I'm just going to go over the laminate, and we'll see how that turns out. So now we're going to talk about flooring. I love the laminate that we used in the renovated portion of our house, so we're going to go ahead and do that in the kitchen, just so that there's a nice little flow that goes from the butler's pantry into the rest of the house. I go over here to Home Depot, which is where I know I bought it, and we bought this Life Proof brand, and they have 3 different colors. I already know that this light oak is the color that's already in my home. When you want to know the square footage, so you can see it says for a case, you get roughly 20 square feet. You take the length and the width of your room, you times that. For me, I know I'm going to need about 130 square feet. So doing the math, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, that's 6 boxes, but 6 cases. But I'm going to do another case just in case, because, no pun intended, in the event that some of the cuts are a little bit more. It's about $40 more a case. If I don't need that extra one, I can take it back. But I know from past experience that we'll probably use it. So that is how you determine your flooring. Now, I just want to make sure, since we're doing low, medium, and high, again, I already plugged it in over here. Oh, I did, I need 7 cases at $40, yes. So it's $280. Now let's go back here to Home Depot because I want to show you. That is pretty inexpensive. You can definitely go over here with the Pergos. It's $2.51. It's almost 50 cents more a plank. If you go up here to the Pergo, it's $2.79. But you could go right here to Traffic Master, and you could go to 99 cents. Now what you're going to, if you see right here, it says 7 mm versus over here, which is 12 mm. That is the thickness of the actual laminate sheet. We'll go into detail about this, but it is worth splurging a little bit because the one that we have in there is the 7, and it is not as durable, and after 4 years it has not been as it's split in different areas, and it certainly has scratched or cracked in little places. So for me, it's worth splurging a little bit more, spending that extra $1 per plank and doing the $1.99, but we'll talk about that in another video. So the last thing that I'm going to address with this kitchen renovation cost is doing a little bit of a decorative panel above my cabinets. The wall's a little wonky there. I never really painted it when we originally were here. So I'm going to do some wainscoting. So I went over here to Home Depot, and as you can see, there's a variety of costs, but I'm going to go with this primed white MDF bead board. It's also called bead board, and it's $7.20. I know that I need 6 pieces. So if I go over here, I can put that into my low end, which is $42. However, I wanted to go over here so you could see you can do it where they have packages of 4, and I did the math, and I would need 2 of those packages, so it would be $50. That's kind of mid-range. And then if you look over here, it's like a decorative hardboard, and it's just a better quality, and I don't need that because it's the ceiling, and again, it's in a butler's pantry. But again, it's $72, so I plugged that in there because I would need 2 packages of that, which roughly it was like $144, I think it was. So I put $150 in there. I wanted to then conclude that we have our high, our low, and the mid of what it's going to cost for this kitchen renovation. The grand total is $594. And I got to admit, I was trying to spend between $500 and $600. So I think I'm going to make my budget here, but I'm going to go back one more time just to make sure that those are current costs and there's nothing else added in. But I did hit my target. I wanted to show you that if I were to go for the mid-range, it could roughly be $1,524. Or if I was going to do that high range of items, it could be anywhere. And just so you know, the variation that I put in here with flooring was anywhere between $23 and $56 a case. So it didn't really add that in. I don't know what it did there, but already we're at a $2,460. So something as minimal as doing a little bit of decor, flooring, countertops, cabinets, paint, and walls could run you, up or down anywhere between $600 and $2,041. But this is where I wanted you to see how you can use the calendar. You can see where you bought your different things and make it to fit your budget. So thanks for joining us today as we figured out how the Ultimate Home Improvement Guide could help you figure out what your budget is going to be for your total kitchen renovation cost. Let us know if you were able to use the Ultimate Home Improvement Guide, and then let us know and let us see some of the pictures that you do for your renovations. We love seeing them. If you want to follow us along, we are going to be doing this kitchen renovation in the next couple of weeks. So if you want to follow, check out our Facebook page, or you can check out Pinterest as well. We'll be doing updates there. So thanks a lot for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you again soon.